Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve our practice time 14A. Problem number 4. Problem number 4 given that a cyclist reached his home 20 km away from his factory in 45 minutes. Find his speed. So here you have given that distance is equal to 20 km. And also here given that time is equal to 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Okay, we have to calculate speed. So speed is equal to distance upon time. From here we get distance given that 20 km and also time is given that 45 minutes. So we have to convert this minutes into hour. So first of all 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45, 4 upon 9 kilometer per minute. Okay, now we have to convert this quantity in kilometer per hour. So for this, you know that in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 4 by 9 into 60 upon 1. Then this distance convert into kilometer per hour. Okay, is equal to 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 0 is 0. 4 into 20 upon 3 kilometer per hour is equal to 80 by 3 kilometer per hour is equal to something 26.67 kilometer per hour. That is our solution of this question. Now again we have to solve our next question. Problem number 5. Here in problem number 5 given that Mr. Sinha and Mr. Tyagi went to Ravi's house by their cars. Mr. Sinha covered a distance of 12 km in 10 minutes and Mr. Tyagi covered a distance of 22 km in 20 minutes. Who drove faster? So first of all we have to calculate Mr. Sinha and Mr. Tyagi's speed. So what is the speed of Mr. Tyagi? So Mr. Tyagi's speed, is equal to distance upon time. Here given that first of all given that Mr. Sinha's speed. So Mr. Sinha's speed is equal to, here given that speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance given that 12 km. 12 km. Time is also given that 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Kilometer in minutes given that. So 12 upon 10 kilometer per minute. Mr. Sinha's speed. Now we have to convert this in kilometer per hour. So 12 upon 10 and we know that in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So into 60, then convert into kilometer per hour. Then 10 6 is 60. Then 12 into 6 is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. Mr. Sinha's speed. Now we have to calculate Mr. Tyagi's speed. Mr. Tyagi's speed. Mr. Tyagi's speed is equal to also distance upon time. Distance given that 22 km. Time is also given that 20 minutes. So kilometer per minutes. Given that now we have to convert this kilometer per hour. So 22 upon 20 into 60, because you know that in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so 0 0 cancel, 2 3 is 6, then 12, then 22 into 3 is equal to 66 kilometer per hour. So by this calculation we get from here Mr. Sinha's speed, Mr. Sinha's speed is greater than or more than Mr. Tyagi's speed. Okay, this is our conclusion and this is our solution. Again, next problem. Here we have given that problem number 6. In problem number 6 given that if Ankit runs at a speed of 20 km per hour, so here given that speed is equal to 20 km per hour, 20 km per hour. How much time will he take to run a race of 700 meter? Distance given that 700 meter. So we have to find here time. What time will take to cover the distance of 700 meter by 20 km per hour speed? So you have to find their time. So we know that time is equal to distance upon speed. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Here distance given that 700 meter. 700 meter. Speed also given that 20 km per hour. 20 km per hour. So first of all, we have to convert this 20 km hour in meter per second, because your distance here given that in meter quantity. Okay, so from here we know that 700 meter upon 20 km into 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here 1000 meter in 1 hour is equal to 60 minute, and in 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So I have to convert our hour in second. So 60 into 60, then from here we get 0 0 cancel. From here also 0 0 0 0 cancel. So we get 7 upon 2 upon 6 is 36. Okay. Now in meter per second. So from here we get 7 into 36, because here is the fractions fraction. So fractions convert. Okay. Upon 2. 2 18 is 36. Then from here we get 7 into 18 is equal to 126 second. That is your answer. So this is your answer, and you have to solve also problem number 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is your homework, and time is over. We stop our writing. Thank you children, and the remaining problem we also solve next day. Thank you children.